is Robert Rodriguez. I'm a junior EE computer track. I chose my major because I went to a tech school that had electronics as one of the options, and I really liked doing that. I like computers, I like taking things apart, I like building computers. Basically anything electronics related I find a lot of joy in, so that's why I chose electrical engineering. One of the biggest problems in EE is time management, because a lot of the time everything is due at the same time, and for whatever reason the EE professors like to schedule the tests in the same week. So time management is big, but other than that, it's pretty fun, and it's probably the most flexible major upon graduation, because you got all the electronic stuff and then the computer stuff as well, so your options are very wide.
My name is Zach Pearson, and I'm an electrical engineering major, and I'm currently a junior. I chose my major because I like solving puzzles and problems, and that's a lot of what electrical engineering is solving problems and puzzles. So, I don't know, it's a lot of fun. I really enjoy it. It's a cool application of things. No, it's a cool application of things and like problem solving, and we do some really cool stuff with it. One of the things I'm really interested in is like controlling machines with electronics. So like digital systems you want space station, or digital systems control the drones that the military uses and things like that. So that was kind of one of the questions we had. I would say prioritizing time really well. But also make sure you like get out and spend time to relax and have fun. And you kind of do something sometimes. But I don't know, if you like try to approach time well and you make time for it, then it's a lot of fun.
So my name is Rose Harbor. I'm a junior electrical engineering major, computer science minor. How I chose my major is, or why I like EE, I like to know the circuitry and the technology that drives all of the iPhones, computers, cell phones, all of the technology that we use today. And it's interesting to know the background behind it, how it works, why it works, and how it keeps getting smaller. Why I like being an e-scholar, I like to understand the business side of engineering, and e-scholars has really helped me do that. Not only do we talk about what it takes to start your own business, but we talk about why companies are successful and some of the partners that enable them to be successful. So it's really made me understand how the engineering firms that I want to go work for are as successful as they are, and so it kind of gives you a full circle understanding of the industry that you're entering into. I think the most important thing as a freshman is to learn how to manage your time, whether that's writing down your schedule or keeping a planner, or having reminders on your phone. Time management is what will make or break you, because you can be the smartest person in the world, but if you don't leave yourself enough time to finish assignments, then you're not going to get the grade that reflects your understanding and knowledge of the course. So, and being in open communication with your professors, because they're all there to help you, they all really want to see you succeed, and just really utilizing that aspect of going to a small school where you know your professors, you can get in touch with them very easily, so definitely use that to your advantage.
Hi, I'm Ben. I'm an electrical engineer major. The reason I chose it is because I enjoy electrical engineering, dealing with circuits and electricity and power. And the reason I chose it was for all the jobs that are out there right now. And the best tip I can think to give you is to use office hours with your professor if you get stuck on anything.
My name is Jacob Sontag, and my major is electrical engineering. I chose electrical engineering because my EGR 110 professor was Dr. Hoffbeck, and he said in order to get A in the class, I had to be electrical engineer. Tips would be to go to all of your midterms and use the library, the brand new library. One of the things I like most about electrical engineering is the lack of homework, and that I get like 10 cheat sheets for each test that we take. That's my name.
Hi, I'm Eric Tsai. I'm a sophomore. I am an electrical engineer. So, what else? What I really like about electrical engineering is that I think you can be really creative with it, especially when you're creating digital circuits. You have the chance to, I mean, it's just a lot of fun. You feel like you're disarming a bomb sometimes because you have all these little wires and you're connecting things together, so it's really cool. And tips, I'll be honest, I think that you should minor in computer science because it seems like it's just a really good background, especially for a double E, because they kind of like complement one another. So